Hi guys, it's Amy from Design by Amy, and today I'm here to do a quick haul, an empties haul basically. I want to get rid of stuff and I just wanted to show you guys some more new stuff eventually, a regular haul. So let me just do this quickly so I can get rid of the stuff and tell you guys what I've been loving. Okay, deep breath. Sorry. I talk really fast sometimes, so anyways, so I've been loving the cetaphil, which I've told you guys this many times before. I love cetaphil. It is the best thing ever. If you go to dermatologist offices, they probably recommend these. I've heard that they carry them in their offices, but cetaphil is a daily facial cleanser and they have different ones. I use the normal to oily skin because I have oily skin, but sometimes it dries out as I get older and like weather changes and all that stuff, so I like this one for now. But I'm sure like the normal one would be fine too for me. So yeah, I live by that. Like that's what my #1 cleanser that I use to wash my face. And like, I mean, I take my makeup off with a makeup remover or like a cleansing water or whatever, and then I wash it with that. Or if I don't have cleansing water or whatever, I'll double wash it or triple wash it to make sure I get all the makeup off. And sometimes I'll use a harder scrub or other things, but that's always in my beauty to go list, always. So the other thing I use is the Garnier Fructis color shield. So this is something that helps keep my red pretty good. I also switch through this and other shampoos, which I'll show you right now, but I do love this a lot, especially when I first dye my hair. I do dye my hair with permanent dye and sometimes with semi-permanent dyes, so to keep my color fresh, I use these. I mean, I do obviously touch it up and re-dye it and stuff, but anyway, these help. So any kind of like shampoo that is good for, you know, keeping the color is always a good thing. But obviously read the ingredients and see what you're comfortable with. So this is another shampoo that I love and live off of, and this is the OGX. So the OGX, I've tried a few different ones of them, and the one that works with me is this one, which is the Hydrate and Repair Argan oil and Moroccan oil. So I also use their oil, which I've told you guys several times before. I go through these so fast. This is the only thing that one time when I was in Utah for like 3 months, my hair was really dry because of the dyeing and stuff, and even though I trim it and stuff and try to keep it hydrated, it was really super dry, and I think it was the water. You know, it's the difference of like from LA to Utah, the weather, the water, everything. So I bought that, and I decided I needed some kind of hydration, so I bought that and it was amazing. So that's why this brand is pretty good. I've been loving their brand, and I also use their mask for my hair sometimes. So this is the one that I use. I love this. So this is another one too. This one I don't use. I'm pretty sure they probably have one for color treated hair, but I've been really loving this because this gives it extra nutrients, and it's sulfate free, which is always good for your hair. So yeah, I love that. I mean, it doesn't save my color, but it does save my hair. So the other thing I loved and I finished was this is from Body Shop. This is the Vineyard Peach Cream Body Scrub. So this I got a while ago, and I just recently started using it and I finished it. But this was in their summer collection a few years back. I'm not sure if I think they bring it out usually during summer, but I think their peach line has come back to stay now. I'm not sure. They're always changing, but this was their scrub. It was a cream scrub and it was really good. I loved it. So I got also the Body Shop PINA COLADA shower gel. Didn't like this at all, honestly. Like the quality of it was okay for shower gels, but honestly Body Shop shower gels are so good that this did not do the cut. This was not a good one at all. I didn't like the smell too much. I do love pineapple. I hate coconut. I like the coconut smell. I don't like to eat coconut. I mean, I'm a fan of coconut milk, but the actual pure coconut I'm not a fan of. So like pina coladas I don't like because I don't like the taste of coconut. But anyway, the smell was okay. Didn't bother me because I mean I like the smell of coconut and pineapple, but it didn't really do much. I felt like I could have gotten away with $1 body wash. Same thing that $1 body wash would do for me, this did, which was just wash you but not hydrate you and stuff like that, which Body Shop usually are really good about it. But the Pina Colada line was not good, so I don't recommend this. And I know that came first out in summer, and I don't think it's always around, but anyway, I don't recommend that one. But I do love all their other body washes. I got this from Ross. It was a shower gel kit. It was 4 of them. I don't know if I have all 4 of them, or I might have tossed the other ones, but this one was it was a charcoal infused shower gels, and it's called My Beauty Spa. It was okay, it wasn't anything special. This one had retinol, that's why I kind of bought it, because retinol is supposed to be really good for your skin. And this one had kale in it. There was a rose one and a honey one, and the rose and the honey one smells really bad, honestly. I love rose water smell, but the rose one was okay, it wasn't that bad, but the honey one was disgusting. The smell of it was, and honey's supposed to not, the honey doesn't smell bad. I don't know why they made that one smell bad, but the kale one was okay, and the retinol was okay smell wise, but I don't feel like it did anything, so don't recommend these. But I got these from Ross. Sometimes with Ross it's hit and miss, so you never know. So the L'Oreal Color Intense, I think I've used their shampoo and I'm not sure. I think I like it. I think I have a set of their shampoo and conditioner in Utah, and I like it there. Again, the water and the weather is different from LA to Utah. Utah is 4 seasons, so they have sun and snow and rain and everything in between, so their weather changes differently. Also their water, like in the showers people put this, I think it's salt or something, I don't know, it's something to, I'm sorry, it's a softener, yeah, for the water, so the water is not as harsh. I mean, their water is clean, like, because it comes from like the Colorado, which is, you know, the Rocky Mountains and stuff like that, but their water is a little bit harsh sometimes, so they need to soften it, so they put water softener in their tanks for the water to come, so in your shower and stuff, so it can be a little bit softer. It's a little bit like jelly like when that's in there. If it's not, it's a little bit harsher, so I feel like that dries your hair and all that stuff, and your body and skin and stuff. So when I'm in Utah, I use certain foundations differently than I would in LA, shampoos and stuff like that. So this L'Oreal brand color, so basically in Europe I used one similar to this. It is the same brand. I think theirs is called Vive or something. I loved it in Europe. I used it here and I didn't like it. I brought some back with me. You don't get that one here, but the L'Oreal, there was a shampoo I bought, I hated it, but this color vibrancy one, I've been loving in Utah, so I've kept that one there. But the mask, I guess it's like a hair mask, I buy these and I love these. But now, I was loving these, but now I tried the one that matches my OGX, which is the Argan Oil and Moroccan Oil hair butter. This is amazing. I love this so much, and I actually got 2 other ones which I'm trying out now. I'll let you guys know once it's done. One's for curly hair and one's for a deeper conditioning, just like this, but it's like one that you have to wash out. Like, you do it, you leave it, and you know, whatever, and then you have to wash it out. This one you can leave in. The curly hair one you can leave in too, but I was loving this. That's why I got the other 2 to try them out to see if they're as good or if I should just stick with this. So those I'm trying out, I'll let you guys know. But again, this is completely done, as you can see, and so is this one. So I do have, I think, another one of these I'm almost done with. But yeah, and then this one I showed you guys too, it's done. Sorry, I was forgetting to show you that these products are done. The other ones I can't really show you because they're bottles. So this is probably my, I don't know, 10th one that I finished already. So the one that I was showing you, this one is almost done also, but this is completely done. I go through these so fast. I love this thing. Also, I was trying out the Colgate shampoo, not shampoo, Colgate whitening, it was like a, what is it, like the toothpaste and then the gargler, what is it called? Mouthwash, there we go. I can't talk, sorry, I'm tired, guys. So yeah, I tried that, and it felt like my teeth were getting a little bit whiter. I don't know really, honestly, but because I think, was it Zoella, like, had recommended that one? I think it was that one, or was it the whitening, or I don't know, maybe I got, because they were saying that the whitening, because they have a little pack where it whitens your teeth. I don't like to do that stuff because my teeth get super sensitive and I don't want to damage my enamel, so I don't like to do that. So I was doing the toothpaste and the mouthwash, and it was, I felt like it was working, but I ran out of the mouthwash. I need to rebuy some and try it again. And then I went to Utah for a while and I was using a toothpaste that I had over there So anyway, I have to go back to that, but so far it's good. I will let you guys know. I'm gonna keep at it and see if it does really show a difference. I did take a picture, I'm pretty sure, before I started that, to see if it's really gonna whiten it or not. And I'm really sensitive about my enamel, so I hope it doesn't damage it. But anyway, because I want to do like a less harsher way of, you know, getting it whiter smile, because I drink a lot of coffee, wine, and you know, we live life, and that's just the way it is. So yeah, so hopefully you guys like this haul. It was a very short one this time, but yeah, short and sweet. And I will be back soon with an announcement, and I've been gone for a while. Sorry guys, had a lot going on in my life. As always, as I've told you before, I work a lot of jobs, guys. I don't work, this isn't my job, this is just for fun. I don't get paid for this, and I mean, maybe I will one day, I don't know, but that's not my goal. I'm just doing this for fun. But realistically, I work like 3 or 4 jobs outside of this, so that's why I disappear a lot. And anyway, I gotta keep up with my own life. So love you guys, and I will be back soon. I have a few projects in the works that I want to share with you guys, so I will be telling you about that very soon. I'm gonna make another video with an announcement very soon, exciting announcement and life changes and all that stuff. So yeah, okay, love you guys, bye, thanks for watching.